So today I'm going to show you how to edit a broadcast. So here I'm in my broadcast. It automatically opens up into overview, and your overview is your sent broadcast. You cannot edit those. You can't delete them. You can't do anything with them. They're just here. You can clone them if you like, but you can't do anything with them. So don't let that confuse you. Just pretty much when I open broadcast, I immediately go over to queued because the sent is a moot point. Okay, these are the ones that are on a continual send that are live. All right, there's something I want to edit in this particular broadcast. I tested it on myself, and I noticed that there was something wrong in it. So move it to drafts. And then you're going to edit it once it goes into drafts. All of this is fine. So I'm going to select next. And I want to edit the email. So the only thing I'm going to change, this drives me nuts too, how I have to keep clicking around. All right, the thing that I'm going to change is going to be my color here. One tip I'll give you for your marketing is if you have a color that you like, write down what that color is and log it with your information for the marketing for that particular file so that you can keep all your colors consistent. Otherwise, you'll just be shades and shades off until you're completely on a totally different color. Now, because I moved it to drafts, it's showing canceled. I edited the email. It's right here. I'm going to go to next. I don't want anything else to change. Everything else is the same. So I'm going to save it. Notice it still says canceled. You have to keep going through, and I'm going to queue it back into the send. And now what it's telling me is that if it's going to continue sending where it left off. So whoever received the previous email with the heading in black, they're not going to get it again with a heading in the turquoise. And that's fine. That's what I want anyway. So it's sending it over. And the broadcast is now live. So that's how you edit a broadcast that is continually sending in your queue.